Marketing is the process of identifying, creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that deliver value to customers, clients, partners, and society at large. It focuses on understanding customer needs and aligning products, services, or brands to meet those needs in a way that is both profitable and sustainable. What is marketing management? Marketing management refers to the process of planning, overseeing and directing a company's marketing activities and strategies. It involves analyzing customer needs to ensure products and services align with market demand, developing marketing plans that outline goals, target markets, and strategies, implementing marketing strategies to effectively promote and deliver products or services, monitoring and adjusting these strategies to ensure they meet business objectives and drive growth. Key concepts of marketing. On number 1 we have needs, wants, and demands. A fundamental principle in marketing is understanding customer needs, wants, and demands. Needs. These are basic human requirements for survival, such as food, water, clothing, shelter, and safety. For example, a human needs food to survive. Wants. These are desires shaped by culture, society, and individual personality. While needs are universal, wants vary depending on the individual's preferences and social context. For example, while someone may need food, they might want sushi or pizza based on their personal preferences. Demands. These are wants backed by purchasing power. When customers have the means to satisfy their wants, those wants become demands. For example, if someone has the financial resources, they may demand a specific meal from a restaurant, such as a premium steak dinner or a brand new pizza. Number 2. Creating value and customer satisfaction. Value and satisfaction are critical components of marketing success. They determine how well a product or service meets customer expectations and whether customers will remain loyal to the brand. Value. This is the customer's perception of the product's benefits relative to its cost. Value is a subjective measure and depends on how much the customer feels they are receiving for the price they are paying. For example, a student purchasing a $500 laptop perceives value in terms of how well the laptop helps them complete their work efficiently. If the laptop performs well, it delivers high value. If it is slow or unreliable, the perceived value decreases. Satisfaction. This refers to the customer's level of contentment with a product or service. Satisfaction occurs when the product meets or exceeds the customer's expectations. For example, if the student's laptop works well and helps them succeed in their studies, they will be satisfied with their purchase. Conversely, if the laptop has technical issues, the student may feel dissatisfied, even if it was affordable. Number 3. The exchange process. At the heart of marketing lies the exchange process, where both the customer and the business provide something of value to each other. Typically, the customer offers money and the business offers products or services that satisfy a need or want. For example, a student buys a coffee for $3 from a cafe. The cafe provides the coffee, and the student satisfies their need or want for caffeine. Exchange and relationship marketing. Successful marketing doesn't end with a single transaction. It also involves relationship marketing, which focuses on building long-term relationships with customers. Strong relationships increase customer retention, leading to repeat purchases and loyalty. For example, Amazon's Prime membership is a form of relationship marketing. By offering benefits like free shipping, access to exclusive content, and fast delivery, Amazon also encourages customers to renew their memberships and continue using its services. At number 4 we have the marketing mix. The marketing mix, also known as the 4 Ps, is a tool used by marketers to deliver value to customers. It consists of 4 key elements: product, the actual good or service offered to satisfy customer needs. This includes decisions on product features, quality, design, branding, and packaging. Take an example of a smartphone, designed with a high-quality camera, long battery life, and sleek design that satisfies a customer's desire for a premium mobile experience. Price: the amount customers pay for the product. Pricing strategies can include cost-based pricing, value-based pricing, or penetration pricing, depending on the company's objectives. For example, Tesla charges a premium for its electric vehicles because they offer cutting-edge technology and align with a high-end and environmentally conscious brand image. Place: the channels used to distribute the product, ensuring it is available to customers where and when they need it. Distribution can be through physical stores, online platforms, or a combination of both. For example, Coca-Cola uses a global distribution network, making its beverages available through grocery stores, vending machines, restaurants, and e-commerce platforms. Promotion: the communication strategies used to inform customers about the product and persuade them to purchase. This includes advertising, social media marketing, public relations, and promotional campaigns. For example, Nike's Just Do It campaign promotes their sportswear through inspirational messaging and endorsements from famous athletes, connecting with customers' aspirations for performance and achievement. Number 5. Market research. Market research is essential for creating successful marketing strategies. It helps companies understand their target audience, competitors, and the potential demand for a product. Primary research. It involves collecting new data through surveys, focus groups, and interviews. Secondary research. It uses existing data, like market reports, industry studies, and competitor analysis. Example: Backpack Company. A company that manufactures backpacks for students may conduct surveys to understand what features students want, such as compartments for laptops or a water-resistant design. Based on this research, the company can design a backpack that better meets student needs. At number 6 we have segmentation, targeting and positioning. The STP model is a framework that helps companies identify, focus on, and effectively communicate with their target audience. Segmentation. It involves dividing the market into distinct groups based on characteristics such as demographics, psychographics, or buying behavior. For example, a clothing brand segments its market by age, lifestyle, and fashion preferences, identifying a group of teenagers who are interested in trendy or casual clothing. Targeting. It consists of selecting specific segments to focus marketing efforts on. For example, the brand chooses to target teens aged 13 to 18 who are style conscious and follow the latest fashion trends. Positioning. It involves in creating a unique place for the product in the customer's mind by communicating a clear and distinct value proposition. For example, the brand positions itself as an affordable, yet fashionable option for trend-conscious teens, appealing to their need for stylish but budget-friendly clothing. Number 7. Branding. It is the process of creating a distinct identity that differentiates a product from its competitors and builds an emotional connection with customers. A strong brand fosters recognition, loyalty, and trust. For example, Coca-Cola has successfully built its brand around the themes of happiness, family, and togetherness. Through consistent messaging, logos, and marketing campaigns, Coca-Cola has become synonymous with joy and refreshment. Number 8. Digital marketing. Digital marketing uses online channels like social media, email, and search engines to reach customers. It's become a key aspect of marketing strategy due to its wide reach, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness. Search engine optimization. It improves a website's visibility in search engine results to attract more traffic. Content marketing. It provides valuable content to engage customers and build brand authority. Social media marketing. It engages customers on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to create a community around the brand. Example: a cafe. A small cafe might use Instagram to share mouth-watering photos of its drinks and cozy atmosphere, attracting new customers and engaging with regular ones by responding to comments and reposting user-generated content. Now let's discuss types of marketing. Business-to-business marketing. Marketing between businesses, like selling raw materials or software. Business to consumer marketing. Marketing directed at individual consumers, such as retail or online shopping. Digital marketing. Marketing through digital platforms, including social media, search engines, and email marketing. Content marketing focuses on creating and distributing valuable content to attract and engage a target audience. Influencer marketing, using influential individuals to promote products or brands to a larger audience. Measuring marketing effectiveness. To determine the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, businesses use key performance indicators to measure progress. Common KPIs include sales growth, measuring the increase in sales revenue over a specific period. Customer acquisition cost, the cost of acquiring a new customer through marketing and sales efforts. Customer lifetime value, the total revenue a company expects to earn from a customer over the entire relationship. Brand awareness, the level of consumer familiarity with the brand. Example, a company launching a new product might measure the success of its marketing campaign by looking at how many new customers it acquired during the launch, how much it spent on marketing, and how much revenue the new product generated. The role of marketing in business growth. Marketing is crucial for driving business growth by attracting new customers through effective campaigns, retaining existing customers by building strong relationships, increasing sales through promotions and product innovations, and building a strong brand that resonates with customers. And that's conclude our discussion. We have a free document guide to help you learn more about this topic. You can download it using the link in the description. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more marketing tips and insights.